Hi everyone! So for today, I'm gonna show you how I transform myself from looking into a guy to this. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Also, a little disclaimer, please don't be shocked because you're gonna see me without this wig and without any makeup. Brace yourself for what you're gonna see because I don't always look this gorgeous because it makes me realize that not all people are blessed. Please don't judge me because at the end of the day, what's important is this, all this beauty, all this gorgeousness. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. Okay, let's start. I'll go first with my foundation. So just spread the foundation all over your face. Just make sure that it's blended out nicely. So this covers up my pimples, my blackheads, my scars. I have scars, like acne scars. I just reached 100 subscribers and I think it's fun. So why not try making videos on YouTube? And I love what I'm doing anyway. I'm doing makeup. I love cross-dressing also. And as you have seen on my stories, I also love fish. I own them as a pet. I also have my turtle. And you might also ask why I'm speaking in English. I'm speaking in English because my subscribers are from America. I think it's better to speak in English so they will understand what I'm saying. Filipinos can also understand English well, so I don't see that as a problem. So now that we're done with foundation, I usually do my eyebrows next. I think it's coming together. Anyway, let's continue. I have here a concealer. So I'll fix my brows. To fix your messed up line. I hope it blends out well. Are my brows too thick? I used the concealer as primer on my eyes because I'm about to put eyeshadow. Oh! Look at those colors. I haven't used this for a while, so I hope they're still okay and pray for me. Okay, what color should we? I always gravitate to like red and pink colors. But let's try deep red. There, we need to be careful here. Like, don't breathe so you won't mess it up. It's not enough. I need more. There. I think that's fine now. What should I do next? I have here my lashes. They're a little bit crusty, but oh my gosh. I'm just putting glue to my lashes so they'll stick to my oh my god, don't do that. Alright. Then I'll just let this dry. You can blow on them. Okay, let's do this. I think I messed it up. Then the second one. Oh gosh, no way. Help me, Lord. There, let's just spray it right. No. I'm not sure with my hair. Let's finish this up. This is the part that I hate the most. It's very tricky. Now let's put wing liner. I'm just filling in the... I think I messed it up. There. Let's do the other one. It doesn't look good. I'll put my hair now. I look good with the hair. I look like I've been like cursed. Anyway, let's continue putting on makeup. Contour first. Gotta get that nose snatched. There. What else? I need highlight on my nose. I also need highlight on my cheeks. That's a good... I've always planned to do YouTube. Like, when I was in high school, I used to watch James Charles videos doing makeup. Then I said, next week I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna film myself doing makeup, but I didn't end up doing it because I don't have time, and I also don't have enough makeup. I don't have enough makeup. I don't have time, and like I'm afraid that no one will watch me. Even now, like I'm doing it, but who cares if people don't watch me? At least I'm happy with what I'm doing. So now we're gonna put lipstick. When I started to wear my wig on, I started doing this. Like, I can compile this video just showing myself doing this thing. So let's do this. So my lips are done. I forgot to wear my cat ears. Let's wear them. I'll wear it like this. Do I look good with cat ears? Can you comment there, guys, if I look good with cat ears? Also, I'm planning to wear like pink wig and be a cat girl, like, ooh. Anyway, but like some guys tell me that I look good in long black hair. So is it true? I'm not sure. So I hope you enjoyed watching me doing my makeup and transforming into a girl. If you like what you watched, please subscribe. Please subscribe. It helps me a lot. Like, it makes me happy. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Also, you will see on my banner. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and my Facebook is also there. You can actually message me, yeah, if you wanna talk to me. Like, if you wanna reto or what's reto in English? I'm not sure. So I actually asked my brother what's reto, and if you wanna refer me some guys, like, I'm single, guys, please. But you know, there's a catch. Anyway, see you guys in my next video. I'm planning to do my nails like on the next video, so please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload that video. And I think that's all. You can also comment below like what you would like me to do on the next videos. I can upload videos of my pets, or I can like do a different outfit. What else? I think that's all. Alright, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you on my next video.